Look up at the night sky and you'll see thousands of twinkling stars. But have you ever wondered what happens when these cosmic giants finally die? The death of a star is one of the most spectacular events in the universe, and it all depends on how massive the star is. Let's dive into this cosmic mystery. For stars like our Sun, the end is relatively peaceful. After billions of years of burning hydrogen in their cores, they begin to run out of fuel. When this happens, the star swells into a red giant, growing so large it could swallow the inner planets of its solar system. Eventually, the outer layers drift away into space, creating a beautiful planetary nebula, while the core collapses into a white dwarf. This incredibly dense remnant is about the size of Earth but contains half the mass of the original star. It will slowly cool over trillions of years, eventually becoming a black dwarf. Though the universe isn't old enough yet for any black dwarfs to exist. But for massive stars, those at least 8 times heavier than our Sun, the ending is far more dramatic. These stellar giants don't go quietly. When they exhaust their nuclear fuel, their cores collapse in a fraction of a second, triggering one of the most powerful explosions in the universe, a supernova. In just a few seconds, a supernova releases more energy than our Sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. The explosion is so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy. What remains after this cosmic fireworks display depends on the star's mass. If the core is between 1.4 and 3 times the mass of our Sun, it becomes a neutron star, an object so dense that a teaspoon of its material would weigh as much as Mount Everest. Some neutron stars spin rapidly and emit beams of radiation, creating pulsars that act like cosmic lighthouses. But if the core is even more massive, something truly mind-bending happens. The collapse continues beyond the neutron star stage, and gravity becomes so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. A black hole is born. These mysterious objects warp space and time itself, creating regions where our understanding of physics breaks down. The death of stars isn't just about endings, though. It's about new beginnings. The elements forged inside dying stars, from carbon to iron and beyond, are scattered across space by supernovas. These materials eventually form new stars, planets, and even life itself. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, and the oxygen you breathe were all created inside ancient stars that died billions of years ago. We are, quite literally, made of stardust. So the next time you gaze at the stars, remember that you're looking at both the past and the future of the cosmos, where death and creation dance together in an eternal cosmic cycle.